Renault is electrifying the family car experience with the all-new Scenic E-Tech Electric. Let's dive into the details of this revolutionary vehicle. Unveiled at the IAA Mobility show in Munich in September 2023, the Scenic E-Tech Electric completes Renault's range of electric vehicles in the C segment. Combining electric modernity, useful technologies, and a sustainable design, it reinterprets the DNA of the family car to meet the challenges of its time. And it's not just us who think highly of it. It recently won the Car of the Year 2024 trophy, a testament to its strategic, design, and technological excellence. The Scenic has a rich history, revolutionizing the market in 1996 as the first compact MPV in European automotive history. Now, in 2024, the Scenic E-Tech Electric reinvents the codes of the family car. Equipped with a 100% electric powertrain, it boasts a WLTP range of up to 625 km and quick charging of up to 150 kilowatts, meeting the needs of modern families. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin designed for comfort and well-being. It offers benchmark interior space, thanks to its dedicated electric platform and innovative features like the solar bay opacifying sunroof. Driving pleasure is a priority with a power output of up to 160 kilowatts, compact dimensions, and dynamic, agile driving perfect for every journey. Built at the Ampere plant in Douai, France, the Scenic E-Tech Electric symbolizes local and sustainable manufacturing. Over 54% of its parts are sourced locally, and it represents a focus on short-circuit production. This fifth generation is not just about manufacturing, it's about sustainability. Up to 24% of the vehicle's materials comply with circular economy principles, and 90% of its mass can be recycled. And here's the exciting part: the Scenic E-Tech Electric is available to order in France starting at €39,990, making it one of the best value propositions on the market. The Renault Scenic E-Tech Electric, a blend of innovation, sustainability, and driving pleasure. It's not just a car, it's a forward-thinking experience.